Okay then. YouTube! Hi. I am going to belch for you. I might make you wet. Or I might have you stop the video or dislike it. I don't give a flying fuck. I'm doing this because I'm bored out of my fucking mind. And belching seems a very, very fun thing to do right now. I have no idea. Here we go.
Come on, you can fit that whole thing in your mouth. You can fit my dick in there, you can fit that in there, man.
Ugh.
Weak.
Yeah, I know that was weak. By the way, my friend is in my pants. It's my friend in my pants. You hear him talking. It's because he's in my pants.
I'm currently licking her pussy.
Yeah.
Come on. Do it. Pop goes a weasel.
Oh, it's stuck! Fuck, it's stuck! It's stuck in me!
Sorry.
You better be sorry, it's stuck!
I got my tongue ring caught.
How could you?
I'm sorry.
Who the hell is calling me? Okay. I want to pause this, but I can't. But I don't want to. I have to. I don't know. Should I? I'm just gonna... This is a phone call, so shush and don't listen in. Just kidding. Y'all can listen in. Hello to hell. I just got it. There it goes. Yeah, I see it. Okay. Okay. Love you too. Bye. Oh, I don't know if I should submit that or not. But it's going on 3 minutes, so I'm just stop it at the 3-minute mark, and now.